Okay guys, in this tutorial I'll be talking about the ASSOC command. So what this command is, you can just view the file type association, and you can change the file type association in your system. So you can do the two different work. You can view the file type association, or you can change the file type associations. You need more information about this command. You're going to type ASSOC / and question mark, press enter key, and here are the different extensions that you can use with this so the different attributes that you can use with the ASSOC, like ASSOC.ext equals file type. So let me type over here ASSOC. So here you have two different things. One is the file type, another is the extension. One that you see after dot is the extension, and this is the file type. So when you only simply type ASSOC and press enter key, you're gonna see the list of extension and file type. So what it is like .zfs. This is the extension and this is the file type. This is the extension and this is the file type. So you can do two different things. You can view and you can change the file type. So you have viewed the file types. So all these are the different file types. Now in order to change the file type, how do you change the file type? So let me type ASSOC dot ASSOC, I might not getting it, dot lo, sorry, ASSOC dot whatever xee, press enter key. The file associations are not found. The ASSOC dot, let me use log. So dot log equals this one associations with another associations. It's ASSOC dot txt. Here you have one txt. So txt equals text file legacy. Now how do you change the file type? So in order to change the associations, what you're going to do is, here you have a ASSOC txt equals text file, press enter key. Now you can see .txt equal txt file legacy you had before. Now here .txt equals text file. Now again what you're going to repeat the commands .assoc.txt. Now it's going to show you .txt equal to text file. So you have changed the association from txt file legacy to text file. Before it has an association, .txt has an association text file legacy. Now we have a .txt has an association text file. In order to remove all the associations, what you're going to do, in this way you can view the different file types and its associations with extensions, and like I guided you before, it's two different things. So file type and extensions. So you can see the extension along with the file type. You can change the file type, you can view the file type. So you can do the two different work, whether if you want to change the file type or view the file type. So sorry, just moving here and there. Let me show you this. So you knew how to change the file type, and you know now how to view the file type. In order to remove all the association, what we're going to do is you're going to use the commands ASSOC dot dot txt, put a space and press enter key. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the commands assoc.txt. You can see it's all empty. It's a no associations. What we're gonna do now is again you want to put some associations, put some file type for .txt. So again I'll type, suppose you want as it is like before, text file legacy. So again we're gonna type text file legacy, press enter key. Now see, again we're gonna check it, .txt, press enter key, text file legacy. So this is the how you view the file types and its associations, and again you can change it. So that is what ASSOC command is. You'll change the file type and you'll view the file types associations with a different extension. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment.